What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. We're going to take a look at a few things. ETF performance. We're going to take a look at some bullish news regarding the world's largest custodial bank, BNY Mellon, and crypto. Very interesting news there. Obviously, we're going to analyze Bitcoin, and we're also going to look at altcoins, specifically AI coins that have seems that right now AI, that sector, is having its day in the sun. It seems that they're moving, so I'm going to show you some AI plays. Okay, there's 4, and then if I have time, I'll look at other things that are moving or other tokens of interest, because we want to make as much money as possible in this final part of the bull run, and I think I got the information to help you partially achieve that. A lot of it has to do with you, obviously. That's another story for another video. And so without further ado, let's do this. First, ETF performances. Just as of yesterday, the 24th, we'll find out how it went today on the 25th, much later. But you can see a good amount of green, especially later from the 9th forward, right? The 6th, 5th, and 4th were actually pretty red for a little while, but now we're starting to see a little turnaround. Yeah, ebbs and flows, right? But we like it. We like it when it's flowing. We like it when it's green. So let's see if today continues. Bitcoin is still struggling right here. This area is, like I've been mentioning, we have to get through, but it is inching its way up. We'll do a little analysis after I finish with this. The other thing that I wanted to share with you is, this is extremely bullish, by the way. World's largest custodian bank, BNY Mellon, is close to rolling out custody services for spot Bitcoin ETFs. This means that there's going to be more entities, big entities, entering the space as they feel more comfortable with their things being well, with their assets being custodied by the world's largest bank, BNY Mellon, the old guard, the old the finance, right? The current finance, the current guard, really. Getting into crypto. It's unbelievable. They want to get into crypto, obviously, because there's huge money in it for them as well. Okay, so this is really, I can't stress enough how bullish of news this is. Okay, and let's continue that here. Here, Bitcoin experience, and this is speaking to retail. All right, we need retail to come back, obviously, but imagine retail and institutional all coming in, and you don't think 2025 is going to be extremely bullish? Stop it. Bitcoin is experiencing renewed optimism driven by retail accumulation and significant exchange outflows. In the past 30 days, approximately 88,000 Bitcoin have been added, nearly 7 times the monthly issuance of 13,500 Bitcoin. Smaller holders, often called crabs, less than 10 BTC, and shrimps, less than 1 BTC, have contributed significantly, accumulating 35,000 Bitcoin. Additionally, 40,000 Bitcoin have left exchanges, reducing liquidity, which often signals less selling pressure and potential for price increases. This combination indicates a bullish environment in the coming months. Okay, things are looking so bullish, guys. Okay, so whatever opportunities there are in the market, I would look to take them. All right, so now let's finish the analysis here. Okay, right here, basically got to get over 65,000, and right now we're seeing rejection, but we're creeping up, right? Bodies inching closer, bodies where only wicks were last few days. Now you see that last 2 days, although this is a red one. Let's see what happens in the coming days. We still have a couple more days before the weekend is here. I would like to ideally see us break through this. If it doesn't, then I could see us maybe into next week coming down here, retesting 61,000. However, if it stays, right, maybe it's not able to break through, but it kind of stays here into next week, then I would envision that next week it's going to break through. It's going to break through. I am extremely bullish, but if it does come down, it's just a buying opportunity. All right, Bitcoin. Let's see where the dominance is at real quick. Okay, playing with this line, seeing if it holds support, right? Maybe it comes back down a little bit more, but we'll see. Others, because that's where you make your money. And look at this bad boy. Look at that nice body right over it, yesterday's close, and hopefully this thing continues, and it has just been going. Altcoins, this is total market cap, others excluding the top 10. So basically the altcoins that I look at, the altcoins that I'm interested in, and the altcoins that I think you should look at. Okay, and they're having a good old time. They're having a good old time. Let's take a look at AI plays, because right now AI plays seem to be the flavor of the month. Remember that money rotates into different sectors at different times. So that's why we saw gaming plays move. We saw a little bit of real world asset plays move after, and now we're seeing AI plays move. Although, you know, the ones in the other sectors, some of them are late movers, and they'll move during this time too. You just gotta be in the game. So let's take a look at some of those. GHX, the first one. Oh, actually, let's do Neural, the first one. This is a new chart. Okay, this is a new project, and this one moved earlier, right? And then it's giving back some gains today. But let's see, because we're close to all-time highs. All-time highs is at around $6.40 ish. We're at $4.52. So I mean, it will be some type of resistance here, but eventually, if AIs continue to move, this one will continue to move up, make new all-time highs, and be in price discovery. Neural AI. What I don't like is that there is a 4% buy tax. I should go check to make sure that is still the case, but I'm pretty sure that's still the case. Let's see. Or AI, another one, starting to move, right? After this long descent down, we broke it, retested it, and now we're moving up. I think we're going to try to hit, I don't see any resistance really until $7.22. Right now it's at $6.46. GHX, gamer coin. I was looking at it yesterday at 8 cents right here. You know, just seeing it. Oh, look, it's starting to move in today. Boom. 10 cents right now. At 11, a little over 11 something. AI and deep in play, okay? AI and deep in play, and also gaming play, gamer coin, GHX, okay? Once it definitely take a look at it now that this appears to possibly have been the bottom, and from here, it's probably going to move up. Excuse me. It's probably going to move up along with the rest of the market. Dynex, let's take a look at this one. Finally waking up. So maybe, hopefully, this is the bottom, because we're showing a lot of strength coming back up. Although we're rejecting, we're wicking back off of 0.046, probably some profit taking right now, 42 cents. I think this thing, maybe some resistance right here, yeah, at around 50 cents. But I think the next stop would probably be around 57 cents. That would be area trying to get back into this ascending, this channel that it has been in previously for a while, right? And we lost it, and maybe that's what we needed to be able to break on through up here to $1.16. But good project, very fundamentally strong, and I'm glad to finally see some green for it. Okay, what else? AI, Dynex, Layer AI also has strong volume. It looks like it may be just starting to consolidate, but I mean, it's still a few days. We'd have to take a look. We'd have to give it a few more days to see if it is consolidating, and try to see where its base at, where its base is at. And that's probably, if you like the project after doing your homework, that's what I'd be buying, because it's going to make another leg up as far as I see it. This looks like it's off its highs too, off its lows, and I think it's moving up like the rest of the market. What is another one? Or AI, Neural AI, GHX, Dynex, and I think that's it. Oh no, GLQ is not AI. KGI is, but I'm not sure about the tokenomics on this one. But I have to bring it to your attention because it looks like it's been moving the last few days, although we're seeing some green rejection. But let's see if we can break past this area right here at 20 cents. I can see it moving up, but I would take a look at, see what's going on with the tokenomics there. I think they might have fixed them, but I would still double check in the chats and see. I bought this one right here. I'm sorry, I didn't buy it right there. That's where I sold it at. I bought it right here, inverse head and shoulders. I sold right here. I should have listened to myself. I could have sold right here, but it went on to do a 21x. It went up to 69 cents and it gave back a lot. It actually came back down to where I sold, right? So this would be was a good area to buy it if you believe in the project, and then I think it's going to come back. I think this was the floor. Pretty interesting. Okay, that's it, guys. I think I've talked enough. Let's see. I'll give you some, I still have a little bit of time, so let's take a look at some interesting plays. Okay, Nakamoto Games, look how strong that is right now. Boom, boom. This is probably the bottom. Look at that big move. I do see some resistance right here though at $1.55, $1.57, and $1.65. But if it can break through this, that's a lot of strength. I'd be extremely bullish then at that point. Extremely bullish. Let's see. There could be an area of rejection. It could be an area of consolidation. And if that's the case, I would hold. I would be nibbling. Although this is a much higher market cap. It's already in the 100 million range of a market cap. So keep that in mind. Okay. So it can't really do 100x. I mean, maybe, but the probabilities are lower, right? What else? Let's see what's up with Creo. I haven't looked at it in a little while. Okay, it's consolidating. Okay, consolidating before the next leg up. Let's see how long that lasts. But this is a project that's very, very interesting and a good buy price. I think this thing can 100x soon. Also, big rejection off of this 0.011. Interesting how that is, huh? It tried to make it over, and it didn't for now. But I mean, these are so volatile that they tomorrow or like later today, this could be back up here at like 0.012. Let's see. Profit taking more than likely. Such a small project, all that stuff affects it. But I think we are headed up higher. Let's see. Or maybe this is rejection and we do consolidate, go a little lower. There is volatility, but eventually I think it's still going to keep moving up much higher. Sinverse. Let's see if this was the local bottom and it could start moving back up. Once this thing starts moving, it starts moving. So let's see what happens. I would be a buyer here. Sinverse fundamentally very strong project. What else? Prop base intriguing right now because it looks like it may, once we get past this area, I think it should start moving up really strong into the 15-16 cent range. Right now it's at 12 cents. I think it's closing in on a $15 million market cap. It's in the 40s right now. So there is that. And let's take a look at Miggles, because Miggles I think is gonna blow minds. Where is Miggle? Where you at? So here's my take on Miggles right now. Look at this nice strength, right? And although we spent time in this channel right here, right? You can see that. I think it's trying to head up towards 0.032, 0.033. Once we break through this, then looking at 0.068 cents, and then once we break through this, new all-time high price discovery. Okay, things will go crazy. But let's see if we don't spend more time kind of just consolidating right here. I don't know if we break it past the first break. If we do, then it's very bullish, because this is pretty much the only resistance I see up until like 6 cents. Okay, so Mr. Miggles, guys, Mr. Miggles, definitely want to take a look at all these projects, man. And I'm really good at picking winners. I have a great track record. I just been really bad at keeping all of that capital for one reason or another. But I will get there. And I will share the knowledge that I have learned through all the mistakes, all the good stuff, and I will share the gems with you guys, man. So just keep tuning back in. We'll leave it there, guys. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow this channel, and all that stuff really does help. Tell your friends about me. I'm really good. All that said, thank you. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.